Hola y bienvenidos a Módulos uno y 2. Welcome to modules 1 and 2. Hopefully, first you've already watched the course tour video that's under Start Here. If you haven't watched that yet, please close this video, go back and watch the Start Here video, and then I'll meet you back here. If you already watched that, then great. Welcome to modules 1 and 2. Like I mentioned in the other video, every module will be divided into the readings and resources and the assignments with the overview video at the top. So you'll see here, there'll be a section that says to read, and then sometimes there will also be to watch and listen. So under the readings, you'll see textbook pages and sometimes articles if we have a discussion board. And then to the watch, it could be videos from me or it could be videos from YouTube, and same with the listenings. Modules 1 and 2 are a little bit different because I know people are like still registering for the course, still getting their textbook and stuff. So the readings and resources are actually going to be the same for modules 1 and 2, like the same textbook pages, the same videos for modules 1 and 2. So if you're still just getting set up in the course like that, it's going to be the same those first 2 weeks. For the assignments, the first module assignments are basically just introducing yourself and getting everything set up. You don't need the book yet to do those assignments for module 1. So if you're still getting the book, don't worry yet. But once you get the book, you do want to get started on at least the homework packet, because the homework packet is actual like content about the Spanish that we're going to be doing. But the rest of the module 1 assignments, so the discussion board, you want to make sure you get your initial post in by Wednesday, answer those questions there, and then make sure you respond to at least 2 other classmates by Sunday. The first speaking assignment, I just want to make sure you know how to record the audio using the record audio button on D2L. So for that assignment, use the record audio button and just record yourself saying like, hello, I'm in the class. You can say basically the same thing as in your introduction discussion board. The academic integrity policy, you just need to agree to that. So just write like okay and submit that. And then the first quiz is just to make sure you looked at the calendar. So like open the calendar, open the quiz, make sure you know how the course is set up. Those assignments need to be submitted to establish your attendance in the course. If you do not submit those assignments, you will be removed from the course for non-attendance. So make sure that you submit those module 1 assignments by that due date. Again, even if you add the class late, it's really important because there's a deadline where we have to report students who haven't attended. And even if you registered late, you have to have those done by that deadline. Okay, so the homework packet does deal with the content. So if we go, and so does everything in module 2. So again, the readings and resources will be the same, those textbook pages. It's going to be going over how to introduce yourself in Spanish, the verb ser, which is like to be, and then just some basic like greetings and closings and things like that. So the first and second homework packets are about these pages in the book. The second speaking assignment, you will answer those questions in Spanish. So you're going to say your name in Spanish, spell your name in Spanish. It's about the alphabet. A lot of the content is about the alphabet. And then the first quiz is about that content. So the homework packets, you have unlimited attempts. You can open them and close them anytime, as many times as you want, and you can keep submitting them up until the due date to get the grade that you want. But the quizzes, you can only open them one time. They're timed, and once you open them, you have to finish them. So don't click on the quiz until you're ready to actually take the quiz, and you can finish it all in one sitting. Also, once the deadline passes, it like even if you're in the middle of the quiz, it won't save any of your responses after the due date. So like even if you open it at 11:50 and you want to finish it at 12:10 a.m., it will not record your answers after midnight. So yeah, and then again, this speaking assignment, you want to make sure you record it in Spanish. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto. We'll see you soon.